Okay, now we are making banana fritters, otherwise popularly called turon in the Philippines. So we have our ingredient, first of all, is the pamana lumpia wrapper. Same wrapper that we use for making lumpiang Shanghai. So yeah, this is it. And then the next one is the saging nasaba, which is the Philippine banana. This one is whole. We bought this from Seafood City or any Filipino store. I would rather use this brand instead of the one that you buy from the market, which is usually from Mexico, which is called, I don't know what it's called, but this is the Philippine banana saba. And I usually add langka or jackfruit, and it makes the turon taste better. Some people, they just want the saba and nothing else, but I prefer to have jackfruit together with it. And of course, when we make the turon, we have to add some sugar, not a lot, but just a drizzle of sugar to make it sweet. Alright, now we are going to make the turon. Alright, now first thing we want to do is prep the langka. I'm going to shred this, into tiny, narrow pieces. Okay, so shred it with your knife like that, just like into tiny strips. Okay, there's your bowl of jackfruit langka. We're going to prepare the bananas. So this is already, steamed, but not quite cooked yet, just slightly steamed. So we're gonna cut it into two, because to do the whole banana, it'll make it so thick, so we will slice it into two. So now our bananas are already prepped and ready to be wrapped. Ready to get the lumpia wrapper separated. And this is easy to peel, that's why I like this brand. I know it works well. Actually, it works best. Pour some sugar. You don't have to measure the sugar actually. Just pour some. And the reason we are putting it on a plate, because it's easier to dip the banana on a plate like this. Okay? Okay, we take the wrapper, take a banana, dip in sugar, put it on the wrapper, add some jackfruit. You can put, it's up to you how many you want to put, but that one looks good. And then I would clip it like that. Clip both ends. Roll it. This. Water. There you go. We made a whole bunch of turon for frying. Come on, let's eat. We're heating up the oil. We're gonna deep fry the turon so it's crispy. Okay, I think the oil is ready. It's warm enough. So we'll test how this goes. Yeah, I think it's good. There has to be some space between rolls so it'll fry crisp. We have the oil turned on high for now, and then once it starts simmering more, then we can turn the heat to medium. But for now, we're gonna do it on high. The oil is kind of bubbling more than when we first began. And I turned the heat to low. The oil is bubbly, it's bubbling steadily. So that is good. We don't want it on high, otherwise it'll burn so fast. Yay! I like the golden brown right there. Now we're going to put it here on paper towel to drain the excess oil. There you go. And there it is, our turon for merienda. Yay! Alright, for today we have desserts. We have turon and maha blanca. Kain na! And we have gas. Okay.
Kain na tayo!